Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online. So if you are looking for a way you can make some extra income online without having a skill, then this video is for you. Without wasting time, I'm going to go straight into showing you exactly how you can make thousands of dollars online without having a skill. But before we go into that, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on valuable videos like this one. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here's a quick explanation of this make money online method I'm going to show you. So this is you right here. This is you right here. You want to make some money online. All you have to do is go to this website and apply for a job. Let's say you get a job of $100 on this website. Now you go to this other website and find someone who can do that job for you for $30. So you see, it's that simple. You go to a website and get a job for $100 and then go to another website and find someone that can do that job for a lesser amount. It's that simple. So I'm going to show you the first website we are going to use here. So the first website we are going to use is lithium.org. So as you can see, this is lithium.org. Lithium.org is a freelancing website where freelancers can find jobs and employers can as well find freelancers. I'm going to log out of this my account here so I can show you the process. So once you get to lithium.com, this is how it will look like. You can see find your perfect freelancer in under 10 minutes. Now you can see I want to hire, I want to work. So what we are going to do here is click on I want to work, because you are here to get jobs. So when you click on that, you enter your email address. You can as well sign in with your Gmail right here. So let me try this. So click on the Google account. So I already have an account, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, since I already have an account, it's telling me to confirm my email address, but I am not going to do that. I'm going to go over the sign up option so I can show you how to sign up successfully. So all you have to do is enter your email address here. I'm going to enter my email address right here. So after entering your email address, you click on continue. I'm going to select a username right here. Username already exists because I already have an account. So Claridan 8. My first name, enter your first name here. Last name. Okay. Password. I'm going to select the password. So confirm password. So once you've done that, you can click on the sign up button. So after that, you will get to this page. You click on become a freelancer. Okay, and you are good to go. So it says, hi Claridan 8, you need to activate your account. Please check your inbox. So once you get into this stage, all you have to do is check your email to verify your account. And once you've done that, you can click on the get verified icon here. It is not necessary to verify your account, but if you verify your account, you are going to get more jobs. So it is likely for you to get more jobs when your account is verified because you will be trusted. So to get verified, you have to pay a one-time fee of $12. So you can click on the get verified. It says, please activate your email. Claridan 8, you need to activate your email. So all you have to do is go to your email inbox and click on the activation link to activate your email. So since I already have an account here, I'm going to sign out of this one and log in so I can show you what to do next. So let me sign in into my account. As you can see, I've logged into my account. So I'm going to click on the switch to freelancer. Okay. So once you are on this page, once you've verified your email and you are on this page, all you have to do is click on find projects. Now, when you click on find project, there are two types of projects here. There's the instant hire project and there's the bid project. The instant hire projects are like quick projects like surveys and all that. So that's not what we are going to look at today, but let me just show you how it is. So this is the instant hire project. These are instant hire projects. This one says sign up for accounts. So all you have to do is sign up for an account here, and you get $0.50, which is 50 cents. You get 50 cents. This one says subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell. This person just wants you to subscribe to his YouTube channel and is offering to pay 10 cents. So once you complete this instant hire project, you'll be credited immediately. You'll be credited this amount immediately. But that's not what we are going to look at today. We are going to look at the bid projects. Okay, so when you click on the bid project, you see newest, most active. So we are going to click on the most active. So as you can see here, there are lots of things you can do. Yeah, so you can just scroll down to see if there is any project here you can complete on your own. If not, you don't have to worry, as I'm going to show you how you can make money completing this project without having the skill set. So this project says create a YouTube video and it's paying $5 to $6. This one says publish a YouTube video. It's paying $25 to $35. This one says BTC to AUD consultation, 10 hours gig, $400 to $500. This one says background music dictation track, $75 to $100. This one says crypto trading app, 25 minutes testing. This just wants you to test a crypto trading app, and this is the amount it's paying. This one is paying $100 to $50 just for you to translate English to Japanese and Korea. So let's take a look at this project. Let's take a look at this project. Now, this project says verified only. You must be a verified user to work on this project. So I showed you earlier how you can get verified by clicking on the get verified. It should be somewhere up here. So when you click on that, you are going to pay a one-time fee of $12 and do some documents verification as well as a face verification. So once you've done that, you'll be able to apply for verified only projects. I am verified, and that's why I can place a bid on this project. So let's just take a look at this project. It says I am seeking two separate translation, one for English to Japanese, one for English to Korean content. Is accounting related with some technical industry details included. Word count include 1,291 in total, provided PDF format request back in Word or similar. Be able to provide proof of language skills for translation. Note, your desired translation, Japanese or Korean only. 2 freelancers will be selected based on the 2 requirements. Any question, please inquire. So this is the instruction this person is giving out. So all you need to do here is place a bid. The person is offering to pay $100 to $250 Ethereum for you to complete this project. So all you have to do is place a bid on this project. Since the person is paying $100 to $250, you can place a bid of $200. Select the dates you can get the project done. You select the dates, click on this, select the dates. Let me say on the 14th, I can get this project done by 12 p.m. 14th of March. So it's optional, just write a message. My name is Claridan, and I can get your translation done correctly and manually. Hello, my name is Claridan, and I can get your translation done correctly and manually. I can do the translation very fast and revise until you are satisfied. So this is just a quick proposal message. So depending on the job you are applying for, you can go to Google and search for proposal message for translation jobs. So you can search for this on Google, and then you get different templates you can use to apply for the job. So just search for Google and get a translation job proposal template that you can use. Just copy the template and paste it here. And once you've done that, just click on the place a bid. Place a bid. So as you can see, I have successfully created a bid. A bid has been submitted by Claridan for this job. Bid under review. So I have successfully placed a bid. So if you go to my message board, you can see bid created. This is my bid. So this employer will get this message. We will review the message, and if she employs me, all I have to do now is go to the other site and so this employer will see this message, and if she employs me, all I have to do is go to this other site and find someone that will do the job for a lesser amount. So I applied for that job. I placed the bid with $200. So I said I'm going to do that job for $200. So I'm going to go to this site and find someone who can get the job done for maybe $50 or even less. So the other site we'll be going to find a freelancer to get the job done is Upwork.com. So we'll be finding someone to get the job done in Upwork. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So when I post more interesting videos like this one, you'll be able to get notified and you gain some value. What I do here on my channel is all about making money online. This is Upwork right now. So all you have to do is click on the sign up option. Okay, so when you click on sign up, you will have to create an account here on Upwork. But since I have an account, I'll just log in into my account. It's pretty easy to create an account here on Upwork. You don't need to do much here. Just create an account and you'll be able to get someone to do the job for you instantly. So I'm going to sign in here. So guys, after creating your client's account, all you have to do is click on jobs. And when you go down, you see it says post a job. So click on post a job. So guys, once you have created your Upwork client account, all you have to do is go to jobs. When you go to job, click on post a job. And once you've done that, you get to this page that I'm in right now. So when you get to this page, what you are going to basically do here is make a post, make a job posting, so freelancers who are willing to do that job for the amount you are offering can find you. So you can enter the headline of your job post here. For example, need a Japanese translator. So once you've done that, click on next. So you can see this is the skills page. So on this skill page, you are going to select the skill needed for the freelancer to complete that job. So the skill needed is an English to Japanese translation skill. So you select the skill needed and click on next. So here you can define the scope of your job: large, longer term or complex initiative, translate and localize websites on English; medium, well-defined projects; small, quick and straightforward task. So you click on small since it's a quick and a straightforward task. It's just a translation of a document. So the project will take just a few days, so you click on less than 1 month. So here you can just select if you want an expert, an intermediate, or an entry level, that is a beginner, to do the job. So you can select an intermediate because it's advisable when you're on a low budget to select the intermediate level. So you click on next, and on the next page you can select your budget. So I will advise you to click on the project budget instead of the hourly rate. So you can just click on $50, $50, and click on review job post. So remember, you are charging $200 to get that job done, and you are coming to this site to find someone that can do it for $50. Now you may be asking, will I find someone that can do this job for $50? The good thing about this is that you can even find someone that can do this job for $20, because there are lots of people here on this website looking for jobs on a daily basis. So if you are giving out $50 for people to do this job, a lot of people, you get lots of requests, a lot of people will show interest, because it's actually not very easy to get a job here because of the competition. There are lots of freelancers here willing to work, and the competition is very high. So if you post a job for $50, a translation job for $50, a lot of people will be willing to do it for that amount. So all you need to do is just enter the job description here. Once you've done that, you can attach an image if you have an image, and click on post your job now. So within a short while, your job posting will be approved, and you will start getting message requests from lots of freelancers. So as you can see, this is actually how it works. You go to this website, which is lithium.com, find a job for about $100 or $200, and you go to Upwork and find freelancers that can do it for a lesser amount. So this way you'll be able to make a lot of profits. So imagine you are getting jobs on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. So in a month you got jobs worth $10,000 from this website, and at the end of the month, when you calculate the amount you actually paid for those jobs, it may be around $3,000 to $4,000. So it's actually a good way for you to make profit. That will be all for this video, guys. In case you enjoyed the video, kindly click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so when I post my next Make Money Online video, you will get notified and you also gain some value. Thank you very much.